Welcome to Product Critique. In this video, we're showcasing what we consider the best LED rechargeable 2000 Lumen Work Light available on the market today. Let's dive into why the Espird portable LED work solar light stands out from the rest and why it might just be the ultimate lighting solution for your next project or adventure. Imagine being on a job site, out camping, or stuck in an emergency situation, and needing powerful, reliable light that won't die out when you need it most. That's where this powerful 10,000 lumen LED work light comes into play. With its 12,000 mAh rechargeable battery and versatile lighting modes, this device is designed to keep you going, no matter the condition. Let's start with the brightness. This LED work light delivers an impressive 10,000 lumens of high-intensity light. Whether you're working late into the night or navigating a dark trail, it gives you crystal-clear visibility. You can switch between 4 different lighting modes: high, medium, low, and an SOS flashing mode. So whether you're in a full-blown power outage or just need a soft glow around the campfire, it's got your back. Charging flexibility is another standout feature. It supports Type-C fast charging for everyday use, but what makes it special is the built-in solar charging capability. That's right, if you're outdoors with no power outlet in sight, just let it soak up the sun and keep on shining. On low mode, it can run up to 10 hours continuously, making it a dependable companion for long-haul tasks or all-night adventures. You can use it to charge your smartphone, GPS, or any other USB-powered device in an emergency. This makes it a survival tool just as much as a lighting device. Now let's talk build quality. This light is built to survive. It's made of rugged ABS material and carries an IP66 waterproof rating. That means it can withstand rain, splashes, dust, heat, and even frost. From scorching summer days to icy winter nights, it's made to handle it all. And with impact-resistant protective covers, it's not afraid of a few bumps along the way. One of the most convenient features is the strong magnetic base. Whether you're under the hood of your car or working inside a dim garage, just stick it to any metal surface and work hands-free. The 360-degree rotating stand gives you total control over the angle, allowing you to direct the light exactly where you need it. This light is compact, portable, and designed with real-world use in mind. It's perfect for contractors, DIYers, mechanics, campers, or anyone who needs portable illumination that can handle rough environments and long hours. If you've ever found yourself juggling a flashlight, trying to get work done in the dark, or dealing with unreliable power sources, this product solves all of those problems in one package. Its thoughtful design, solar backup, power bank feature, and rugged construction set it apart from other work lights in its class. So whether you're headed to a remote campsite, prepping your emergency kit, or just need better lighting in your workshop, the Espird LED work light is a reliable, feature-packed option that punches far above its weight. That wraps up today's feature. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more hands-on product breakdowns from Product Critique. See you next time.